Do you want to know how to create NGL link and put it in Facebook? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. First is of course we need the app. Go to Play Store and search for NGL and download it. After installing, open it and click on Get Question. In here, you need to put your Instagram username. After putting your Instagram name, click on copy link. Now exit the NGL app and go to your Facebook app. Click on your profile and then click on edit profile. Scroll down until you see the links tab. Click on add website and then paste your NGL link. Save this and it will now be displayed on your profile. To see if this works, I will use my another account to send myself a message. Search for my own profile and type in a message. I will now go back to the NGL app and here we can see the messages that I received or that I sent. So this is how you create a link and display it on Facebook. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comment about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.